dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming. They're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision that you gave him something to read. Kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe. 4 books every young man should have. First book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. Second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man. Goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
As a young man starting your career, you have ambition and drive. You want to succeed. You have dreams and goals that you are eager to achieve. You envision a future where your hard work pays off, and you reach the pinnacle of your profession. But how do you get there? What steps do you need to take to turn your aspirations into reality? But the path to success isn't always clear. There are obstacles and challenges that can make the journey seem daunting. You might feel lost or unsure about the direction you should take. The professional world can be a maze, full of twists and turns that are difficult to navigate on your own. It's not always about what you know, but who you know. The connections you make can be just as important as the skills you acquire. Building a strong network can provide you with the support and guidance you need to overcome obstacles and find your way. This is where networking comes in. Networking is more than just meeting people. It's about forming meaningful relationships that can help you grow both personally and professionally. It's about creating a community of individuals who can offer advice, share opportunities, and provide encouragement. Your network is your net worth. The value of your professional relationships can be immeasurable. These connections can open doors to new opportunities, introduce you to influential people, and help you gain insights that you might not have access to otherwise. It's the people you know and the relationships you build that can open doors and create opportunities. A strong network can be a source of inspiration and motivation, helping you to stay focused on your goals and providing you with the resources you need to achieve them. Networking isn't just about collecting business cards. It's about building genuine, mutually beneficial relationships. It's about finding people who share your interests and values and who are willing to support you in your journey. These relationships are built on trust, respect, and a shared commitment to helping each other succeed. These relationships can provide support, guidance, and access to information that can accelerate your career. Mentors can offer valuable insights and advice based on their own experiences. Colleagues can share knowledge and resources that can help you overcome challenges and seize opportunities. In today's competitive job market, networking is no longer optional. It's essential. The connections you make can be the difference between landing your dream job and missing out on opportunities. By building a strong network, you can position yourself for success and create a pathway to achieving your professional goals. Networking is often misunderstood. It's not about attending stuffy events, forcing conversations, or desperately trying to impress people. True networking is about building genuine connections. It's about finding common ground, sharing ideas, offering support, and building trust. When you approach networking with authenticity and a desire to build real relationships, it becomes a rewarding experience. Think of networking as building a support system for your career. Your network can provide valuable advice, insights, and connections that can help you navigate challenges and seize opportunities. You might be surprised to learn that many job opportunities are never advertised. This is what's known as the hidden job market. Companies often fill positions through referrals and internal networks. Studies show that a significant percentage of jobs are filled through networking. This means that if you're not networking, you're missing out on a huge pool of potential opportunities. Networking gives you access to this hidden job market. It allows you to connect with people who can provide insights into unadvertised openings, recommend you for positions, and provide valuable information about potential employers. The good news is you don't have to start from scratch. You already have a foundation to build upon, and it's closer than you think. Your network already exists, even if you don't realize it. It's made up of the people you interact with daily, those who know you and can vouch for your character and skills. Start with your inner circle. Family, friends, classmates, former colleagues, professors, mentors, and even neighbors. These are the people who are most likely to support you and provide valuable connections. Let them know you're actively seeking opportunities and ask if they know anyone in your field or related industries. Be clear about what you're looking for and how they can help. You might be surprised by the connections your existing network has. Often, opportunities come from the most unexpected places, and a simple conversation can open doors you never knew existed. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask for informational interviews. These are not job interviews, but rather opportunities to learn more about a particular industry or role. An informational interview is a casual conversation with someone working in your field, where you can ask questions, gain insights, and learn about their career path. It's a chance to gather information that can help you make informed decisions about your own career. During these conversations, be sure to ask about the challenges and rewards of the job, the skills required, and any advice they might have for someone starting out. This way, you can gain a realistic understanding of what to expect and how to prepare yourself for success. Remember, every connection you make is a step towards building a robust professional network. Section 5. Leveraging professional platforms. In today's digital age, online networking is just as important as offline networking. Platforms like LinkedIn have become essential tools for professionals to connect, network, and build their personal brands. Create a professional LinkedIn profile that highlights your skills, experience, and career aspirations. Connect with people in your field, join relevant groups, and engage in discussions. Use LinkedIn to research companies, learn about industry trends, and identify potential mentors or connections. Regularly share valuable content related to your field to establish yourself as a thought leader and attract connections. Section 6. The art of the elevator pitch. When you're networking, you need to be able to concisely and effectively communicate who you are, what you do, and what you're looking for. This is where the elevator pitch comes in. Your elevator pitch should be a 30 to 60-second self-introduction that captures attention, sparks interest, and leaves a lasting impression. Practice your elevator pitch until it feels natural and conversational. Focus on the value you bring, your unique skills, and your career aspirations. Tailor your pitch to the specific audience and situation, highlighting the most relevant information. Section 7. Mentorship. Finding your guiding light. One of the most valuable aspects of networking is finding a mentor. A mentor is an experienced professional who can provide guidance, support, and advice as you navigate your career. Look for mentors who have experience in your field, share your values, and are willing to invest their time in your development. A mentor can offer invaluable insights, open doors to opportunities, and help you avoid common pitfalls. Mentorship is a two-way street. Be respectful of your mentor's time, come prepared to meetings with questions and goals, and be open to feedback and suggestions. Section 8. Networking in Action, a Success Story. Consider the story of Michael, a recent college graduate who landed his dream job through networking. Michael's journey is a testament to the power of building connections and leveraging them effectively. Michael had always been interested in marketing, but he was struggling to get his foot in the door. Despite having a solid academic background and a passion for the field, he found it challenging to stand out in a competitive job market. Determined not to give up, Michael started attending industry events. connecting with people on LinkedIn, and reaching out for informational interviews. He knew that building a network was crucial, so he made it a point to engage with professionals in his desired field. Through these efforts, he met Sarah, a marketing director at a leading agency. Sarah was not only experienced but also well-connected in the industry. Michael's genuine interest and proactive approach caught her attention. Sarah was impressed by Michael's enthusiasm and initiative, and she offered him an internship at her company. This opportunity was a turning point for Michael. He worked diligently, learning the ropes and proving his worth. The internship led to a full-time job offer, and Michael credits his networking efforts for his success. He believes that without the connections he made and the relationships he built, he wouldn't have been able to achieve his dream job. Michael's story highlights the importance of networking in today's job market. It's not just about what you know, but also who you know and how you engage with them. By being proactive and genuine, Michael turned his aspirations into reality. Section 9. Your future starts now. Take action. Networking is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. The relationships you build today can pay dividends throughout your career. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Go out and create them. Start building your network today. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, reach out for informational interviews, and nurture the relationships you make. Remember, your network is your net worth. Invest in it wisely, and it will pay off for years to come. The future you envision starts with the connections you make today.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up, don't hesitate. Just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man, or help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life. My books will help you do that, I believe. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth.